Good morning. This is Linda Hollington from the porch. 321. Welcome. I just want to quickly remind you we have a lot of open houses this weekend, and it's important to get out there and see those houses. If you're thinking of selling, you should go so you can visit around the neighborhood or in your zip code area or whatever area and see what your competition is out there. If you're thinking of buying, maybe not even for the next 6 months or so, it gives you a real feel for what's out there and what the prices are and what the competition will be when you're there. So get out this weekend. We can provide a list for you. If you have a realtor, call them. If you don't, contact us and get out there and have a look and see what's available for you. There's quite a bit out there this weekend. So thanks for listening and have a great weekend. We have had beautiful weather here in Florida this week, and get out and enjoy it. Just thank you for joining us. See you again soon.